Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a Uniwigs wig review, and for this wig I have gone quite bold. I'm going to show you guys the wig that I chose, which is this one. The colours in it are insane. Obviously, as you can tell, it's not really an everyday wear wig, but I just thought it would be fun to try something new. Uniwigs did reach out to me to make this video and asked if I'd like to review one of their synthetic wigs again, and I just asked for something colourful, a little bit more fun, so this is what I've got. And so this wig is called Jawbreaker. I will pop that on screen, and I will also pop a picture of what the wig looks like on the website. It is a synthetic wig. It is 30 inches long, which is just crazy. I'm probably going to end up trimming it. It's a lace front cap with heat-friendly fibre synthetic hair. Density is 150% and the cap size is 23 inches, but it does have adjustable straps if you have a small head like me. Okay, so this is just a close-up of the cap construction. This wig is a lace front wig, so you've got lace all around the top here, then tracks in the back. You've got 4 combs, 2 on either side, 1 on the top and 1 at the neck, and also adjustable straps here. This also gives you guys a good look at the colour. It's insane, there's so many colours going through this, but it's just so pretty. So before I pop this on my head, I'm going to show you guys some of the colours going through this because it is just insane. So from the front you've got the purple, green and like blue straight into pink here. Crazy. And then on the other side you've got the pinks, the baby blues, green, and then into yellow. Crazy fun colours. I'm probably gonna look like 6'9", but we move. So this is the wig fresh out of the box. I haven't cut any of the lace yet, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna move back so you can see how long this is. I don't even know if I'm in frame, but that's actually okay. So I'm just gonna pop off camera and trim the lace off this wig. I am gonna do a little space bun hairstyle with this because I just think it'll look really cool. But yeah, how cool is that? I feel like I'm living my younger self's dream with this hair. So I think my goal for this wig is to trim it. I think I'm probably gonna take it up to like here maybe, because at the minute it's just way too long for me. First I just want to like mess around with some styles, and I was definitely gonna do space buns. Obviously when the hair is this long it's just crazy hard to do any type of like up style with it. God, I really messed that up. Oh, I wanted it to look cute like this side's better, but this is why I don't do styles with wigs, guys. I just feel like even if I had my own hair, I just wouldn't be good at doing like styles. So I kind of gave up with the space bun idea. I'm just not very good at it. They just looked so lopsided, and like one was over here and massive and this one was really small, so I've just kind of given up on that. But I've done my traditional tuck it behind the ear, and that's the extent to my capabilities. But also I will say this hair is insanely long, so I'm probably going to cut a decent chunk off of it, and I might go through and just thin it out a little bit so it's not so heavy. But my plan for this wig is to maybe wear it to like, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what I was thinking when I wanted a rainbow wig. I just wanted to live out a childhood dream, I think. But it's definitely a bit of fun, and if the occasion does arise where I want to wear it somewhere, then I definitely will. I'm also going to give you guys a close-up of the knots and everything, because I will say when you get wigs that are like light in colour or rainbow, then the knots do tend to be really good. So if you are kind of like an in-between and you're not sure if you're going for brown or blonde, blondes do tend to have like a better parting, I guess. So hopefully you guys can see. But yeah, I don't think that is going to get old. You know, when you just kind of flip it over and then you've got rainbow. I feel like I belong on like a kids TV show. You know, there's people who always have like the crazy hair. Definitely a bit of fun. I'm not sure if it's something for everyday use. But I actually can't wait to maybe try some styles that I can actually achieve, like a plait or something, because I think when you like plait the colours together, they're just gonna look so much fun. See, that's crazy. It's like a rainbow. Yeah. So I'm going to mess around with this wig, but I just wanted to show you guys the initial unboxing and obviously all of the specs on it. But yeah, obviously if you want to check it out, I will put all of the links for it below, and the link to Uniwigs themselves. They've got some amazing synthetic wigs on their website, so definitely check them out. But yeah, I'm going to go enjoy being a rainbow, I guess. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So I will see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed seeing me as a rainbow. And yeah, bye guys.